So this is race 2 on the program, 3039 Vets, sponsored by Finance My Bike. Ready for a start now, the 15-second board goes up. Turn to 5, race 2, the 2022 season gets underway now. Start by Shannon Lurie, the Kawasaki from Borkham Hills, who gets the whole shot. Comes away with a race lead. Oh, short-lived, is it? No, he holds on to it. Little bobble there, holds up the whole field. But gets to hold on to the race lead, so Lurie, your race leader, early in this moto. Oh, big crash from a Kawasaki rider as well. Wasn't Lurie, but a big off. Medic! 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 We have medic to the front. So that rider down at the moment, that rider on the Kawasaki. He scrambled his way off the track to get out of the way. The rest of the field behind him seems to be okay, but still he'll be receiving some assistance from the medics. As the race starts to come back round, who leads the then it's Parker, followed by Stanhouse, then Colton Campbell, followed by Trent Dropshop, then the 909, and Tipper. A couple back to the 117 of Lachlan Kelso, and a couple more back to the 517 of Ben Hosking. It's Shannon Lurie, got that whole shot, he's held on to the lead. Angel in second, Will Angel in second, Parker in third, Aaron Parker is it? Aaron Parker on the 59. We've got the yellows out. Lurie leads the way. Parker up to second now. So it's Lurie, Parker, Angel, Stadhouse, Cole by Campbell, Trent Dropshop. Don't know who that. No back number on a couple. No back number on a couple of riders there. I'll catch them as they come round. Is James Cameron up over the centre tabletop. We wait for our leaders come around and complete another lap. Still Lurie out in front. Parker, Will Angel, Wayne Stadhouse, Campbell, Brent Dropshop, 909, Andrew Tipper on the back of that group. Got the 91 of Brad Gander from the MacArthur Club. He's followed by Lachlan Kelso. Matty Warren goes through there. Round up that group. 517. Hosking. The Borkham Hills rider, Shannon Lurie, still leads the way, but Parker all over the back of him now. Aaron Parker looking for a line up the inside. There's yellow still flagged. So Parker can't make the pass. But now he'll line up this centre tabletop. He'll come inside. He'll scrub it. Angel in third. Stadhouse. Then it's Campbell, Brockchop. Lurie still leads the way around the top of the mountain. They've closed up that gap up front now. Lurie pushing Parker out wide, holding the track to his own advantage. Shannon Lurie, a race leader. Aaron Parker all over the back of Lurie now. Parker looking for a way round. Lurie uses the whole track. They come across the transponder line. Lurie, Parker. Stadhouse. Dwayne Stadhouse just hanging on to the rear of that group there. These two up front, and there's Campbell, Rock Chop, and Tipper. Well, Lurie still holds that lead out from the bottom. Parker, Angel, and Stadhouse. No one can seem to make a move, but still, yellow flag still out. No advantage to be gained here. Hold their position. Still they want them slowed up right here. Parker now finds a way around the outside. Aaron Parker, new race leader, gets around Lurie. Stadhouse trying to make a move around Will Angel there. So out front now, the 59 of Aaron Parker. Ahead of Shannon Lurie. Will Angel, Dwayne Stadhouse. We're at Diggsy Anderson looking back. Oh, it's Diggsy that ate it earlier. So that's gonna make the points interesting a little later in the day. There's the race leader, Parker, Lurie, Angel, Stadhouse, all head down into the bottom of the circuit for another lap. Then it's Colby Campbell. Great job. Keep forgetting his name. Tipper. Andrew Tipper on the 909. Well, they left Stadhouse down there. Who went down? I thought it was Diggsy. Matt Warren. .161 of Gavin Wise heads down into the bottom, followed by the 403. Brent McLeod. On their final lap. Still the front four. The front four remain the same. Aaron Parker about to come around and get the checkered flag. Parker takes a win. Lurie holds on for a second place after the early lead, after the whole shot. Will Angel gets third. Dwayne Stadhouse on the 433 gets fourth. Brock Chop made his way up into fifth spot ahead of race number 6. 3039 bets, sponsored by Finance My Bike. They start by Diggsy Anderson. Aaron Parker. Well, Diggsy will get the whole shot. He goes wide. Angel slips up the inside. Parker up there as well. Parker goes around the outside of Angel. Does he slip into second? Not yet, he doesn't. Will Angel in second. Diggsy Anderson out front. Parker in third. Stadhouse, I think, in fourth. Over the centre tabletop they'll go now. Your race leader on the 104, Danny Anderson. Parker jumps his way to second spot around Angel. So Parker in second, Will Angel in third. Stadhouse has got the bright helmet, I think. He's just pushed his way into fourth spot.
Marshall change.
Yeah, I've been calling them.
Yeah, okay.
2 more races I set for.
Okay. I'm just, while we're waiting for that, I'm going to try and fix up some signs.
Okay.
So I'll just be just
Don't
across
take too long because there's a few people wanted to come and sign on early before.
Oh, have there been people coming up? Or?
Oh, well, one lady said, can I sign on yet? I said, oh, there's no one there yet.
I'll go there now.
I'll start calling them. I'll say if they
I'll sign
want.
them on now.
Diggsy, drifting down the start straight. Parker, Angel, Stadhouse, Brockchop. Brent Brockchop, that is, on the 47. Matt Warren through there. So it's this race and one more before Marshall change. Any of those round 2 Marshalls, if you want to come and sign on early, you can do that. We are prepped up here in the sign on area. Any Marshalls who want to sign on now, get themselves ready to go out. We've got this race and one more, and you'll be required out on the track. Diggsy Anderson leaves the field behind. Parker starting to pull away from the field as well. Another lap completed for your race leader, Johnny Diggsy Anderson, former factory rider. Aaron Parker, been around this lake track forever. Then it's Angel, Stadhouse. Missed the next one, then it was Trent Brockchop. Anderson, Parker, Angel, got out. Who's that kayak? There's no back number. Trent, I think. There's Trent, 49. Real battle for third at the moment. Big battle on for third place. They come into the tabletop entry. Stadhouse got to go wide. Angel on the inside. Stadhouse holds his line. He'll hold on to that spot for now, Stadhouse. Will Angel putting pressure on the back of Dwayne.
The lap scorers for round 2 to come up to Marshall sign on.
We have the lap scorers for round 2 come up to Marshall sign on, please. Lap scorers, round 2 lap scorers, come and sign on now, please. Over the centre tabletop now, the 403. Who's that? Breakfast lead. Diggsy, roosting right down the whole start straight into the turn. Parker on the gas as well. Parker in second. Stadhouse in third. 8:28. Lurie. Pressure in those. Another KX rider. Anderson, he's gone. Here comes Parker now. Stadhouse. Angel. And Lurie. Behind Lurie, it's Trent Brockchop. Colby Campbell on the 147. at least, followed by the 312 of Jeremy Franklin. They're down in the bottom of the circuit at the moment. As your second place rider hits the centre tabletop. Stadhouse over the berm. Tucks back in. Luring around him. So Stadhouse now back to 5th spot. They get the final board now. Diggsy Anderson out in front. Aaron Parker, one of the most spectacular crashes I've ever seen. Aaron Parker at Stadium Cross. Stadhouse goes through there. Campbell putting a bit of pressure on Trent Brockshop. The two Brockshop brothers here today, back into the racing fraternity. That out, comes down hard off that jump out of the bottom section there. Over the centre tabletop now. Race leader, Diggsy Anderson. Comes from Cessnock, knows his way around the lake circuit as good as anybody. Got centre tabletop.
Sorry, mate. Could we call Agnes Agnes Tomasowski, and Melissa Bird to just sign on for lap scoring?
Agnes Tomasowski and Melissa Bird.
Come and sign on.
Can you come and sign on for your lap scoring, please? Agnes Tomasowski. Sorry about the pronunciation. And Melissa Bird. Please make your way to sign on just in front of the canteen.
And session 2.
And also session 2 marshals now come and sign on. This moto on the line. Then we've got a marshal.
Yeah.
Lumps of fucking skin spots on it.
Yeah.
You go, you should be wearing those fucking things I got you.
Yeah, right. Yes.
Down there, there should be a guy.
Race 10 on the program now. 30-39 bets, out they come. Anderson, Parker, Anderson gets the whole shot. Diggsy with the whole shot. Anderson in the lead, Parker in second. Got Trent Brockshop in third, I think. They come into the centre now, up and over the centre tabletop. This iconic tabletop. Some of them scrub it, some of them whip it, some of them huck it. One thing's for sure, it's one of the funnest tabletops in the motocross circuit. Some of the photographers' dream, taking photos on that centre tabletop here at Lakes. So Diggsy Anderson, one-time factory rider. Out in front, Aaron Parker. Family of riders, the Parkers. Parker in second. Louis, Stadhouse, Angel, Brockshop, Campbell, Gavin Wise, and behind Gavin, 517, and Ben Hosking, couple back, Matty Warren, Shannon Moore in the 9-7. James Cameron, sorry, not Shannon Moore at all. James Cameron on the 9-7. Parker. Aaron trying to stay with Diggsy so he can give him a bit of a push along. Diggsy way back in the field in the first moto. In fact, don't even know if he finished the first moto. But don't rely on what I tell you, I could be wrong. Down they come from the top of the mountain. Diggsy Anderson leads from Aaron Parker. Shannon Lurie in third. But Will Angel still holds on to fourth spot on the 6.27 machine. And behind him, I think it's Lurie. Comes Diggs. Parker, no, there's Lurie, sorry, it's dropped off that there. Lurie in third, Scat out in fourth, Angel in fifth, then it's Trent Brockjob, 49. Colby Campbell on the 147. Gavin Wise followed by Hosking. Jeremy Franklin rounds up that group as they head down to the bottom of the park. Donny Do-Rider, James Cameron, I bet he can't wait for us to take East Coast to Donny Do. Deep sand track out there at Donny Do. Practice your sand riding before we go to Donny Do. One of the best sand tracks in New South Wales anyway. Check the field as they come across the line for another lap. Diggsy Anderson, your race leader. Aaron Parker, second. Next one over. Shannon Lurie in third. Dwayne Stradhouse on the back of Lurie now. Stradhouse in fourth spot. Will Angel, fifth spot. Trent Brockjob on the 49. Sixth. Campbell on the 147 in seventh. The top seven have pulled a fair gap from the rest of the field. Gavin Wise, he's running in 8th spot. Hosking, followed by Stephen Parsons. Couple back to Brett McLeish. Another rider from the Belinda Barkbusters Club. So the Donny Do people realising there's a meeting at their club this year, they got into the mix early in the season. Can't wait to see the local riders of Donny Do mixing it up with some of our seasoned riders here at East Coast. Anderson pulling a nice little gap over Parker now. So Danny out front with no pressure. Aaron in second, no pressure. Comes Diggsy now. He takes that outside line every time. Parker inside every time. Steady up. Can't make up that ground on Lurie. Will Angel just holding on to a top 5 spot with Rock Shop on the tape. Colby Campbell. Colby Campbell. Used to go riding with Colby when he was a nipper at Penrith PCYC. Along with my eldest. So Gavin Wise, another lap completed for Gavin. They're all on their last lap now, bar one. Diggsy heads up the top of the mountain for the last time in this moto. Looking for his first win of the day. So Diggsy now turns towards the finish flag. Will jump his way up on to the finish line and takes the win. Diggsy Anderson ahead of Aaron Parker. Local riders, both of those guys from Cessnock. Race 15, 30-39 bets, out they come. Anderson and Angel and Parker. Anderson with a whole shot. Parker slips into second. Angel slips into third. Glory's in amongst them as well there. Going up through the centre of the park they go. Diggsy Anderson leads from Aaron Parker. Stenhouse in third maybe. Looks like it. We'll see when they get closer, when these old eyes can read their numbers. So one lap completed. Diggsy Anderson, Parker, Wayne Stradhouse trying to keep the roof from him. Rock Chop in fourth. Colby Campbell in sixth. And the 403. McLeish couple back to the 7 of Kelso. Out of the bottom comes Diggsy Anderson, the race leader. Parker, Stadhouse looking a little more comfortable in this moto. Gets a good start, makes a big difference to what you feel like throughout that moto. Wayne got a good start, just running with the top runners. Anderson, Parker and Stadhouse. They head over the centre tabletop. Rock Chop in fourth. Where Lurie is. He's normally right up the pointy end. top three. Top three complete another lap. They are going hell for leather. These three out front. Brock Chop fourth. Colby Campbell fifth. 91. Brad Gander. Gander followed by Lurie. There he is. And the 403. Gavin Wise with problems. Over the centre again, the top three make their way back up to the top of the mountain. Brock Chop over the centre there. Campbell in behind him. They head up around the top. As Diggsy Anderson comes back down into the bowl. Top three have separated a little bit now. It's Diggsy against Parker in second. Stadhouse in third. Brock Chop in fourth. Colby Campbell in fifth. Another lap completed. The old timer out front. Stadhouse. Look at Dinger. Comes Trent. Trent Brock Chop. Colby Campbell, that's the top five. You can hear Anderson heading back up. Thunder. Lurie looking for a pass down in the bottom section there. Angel out the back at the moment in this moto. Brock Chop over the centre. Diggsy heading back down the hill now. Anthony Wakeham from the Coffs Harbour Club, he's down in the bottom section. Here comes Anderson. Diggsy bike sounds tough. Really strong. And Kawasaki sounds mint. Stadhouse has settled back into third spot. Just making his way round for the final lap. Not too many risks. Anderson on the other hand, full noise. Campbell comes past the start straight. Lurie's made his way through the field a little. A bad start for him. Equated to a not so great finish. Position. Over the centre tabletop now for the last time in this moto. Diggsy Anderson, race leader. Aaron Parker, hold on to second. Stadhouse has dropped off the track. Dropped off the pace now. He's got half a lap to hold on to third. Should be able to do it. Lurie's a fair way back in fourth spot. Heading for the finish flag, checkered flag comes out. Diggsy takes another win. Parker, another second for Aaron. Stradhouse, he's going to coast home, get third spot.